Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how I created a sliding text that changes color depending on where the cursor is positioned. So this is an example, and let's now start coding. For the HTML, first we need a div container, and then inside this container, for each word or for each line, we also need a div. So I'll add a class name line. And inside this, we have to add a left text and then a right text. And I will put it inside a div. So this will be the left. And we also need to add for the right. So on the left text, we also need another div. And I'll add a class named content. And inside this content, we will now add our text. So the first word I'll use is lorem, and I'll add a class name text. So I'll do the same to the left, to the right. So just copy this and this one. And now I will add styling to the text or to these div elements. Let me add styling to the body first. So I'll use background image to have a linear background, linear gradient. So at 90 degrees and black 50%, and then white 50% there. Uh, so I'll also add margin 0 and then height of 100 VH and also display flex, justify content center, and align item center just to center the text. And also I'll apply font family. I'll use Arial font family, sans serif. Next, I'll add styling to the line. It should be with 100 VW. And then next to the left and right, so they should be with 50 VW and overflow hidden, and then display inline block. There. Next, let's add styling to the content. They should be with 100 VW and also text align center. So I will add color to the left. I'll use white since it's the opposite, and then black for right. There. And also I need to add transform to right content. So transform and then translate negative 50 VW. Next, let's style the text. So display inline block, font size 120 pixels. Now that we're done styling the or adding styling, let's now proceed to adding the script or the JavaScript so for sliding the text. So script first, let's add window, um, add event listener. So at mouse move, let's uh, add function mouse move, or let's name the function mouse move. So function mouse move. Let's declare some values here. Constant for text, which is document query select all, selector all for the text, for all the div elements or the span elements with text class. And then also width, which is the inner width of window. There. Now for the mouse move function, first let's declare a value, a variable named position, and then 350 pixels, multiplied by event page x divided by width, also divided by 2, and then minus 1. And then for each text, we will add this. So span we will add style transform, let's translate position there. And also we'll need to add event listener when the window is resized. With window inner width. Yeah. So let's test this one. Let's first refresh. Let me check first. I think this is because there's space here. So there. To add another line, just copy this and paste it there and update the text. There, we have now achieved the desired output. So that ends this tutorial.